visiting Kenji here at Greddy. This is Thai's Civic Type R EK9 with the fancy 4-piston engine. Look at that. 4P Mars competition header, ITBs. It's gonna have coil packs, so this will be replaced.
Huh?
What's up, Kenji?
So,
How much is this engine setup?
how much?
How much?
Price?
Yeah, just the block.
I don't know.
What's your guesstimate?
Okay.
15K? This is probably going to be the most expensive EK9 build to date. And this is like a OE plus build.
But the work I put in is more than...
Yeah. The amount. Kenji's what? President of Greddy USA. Doing all the wrenching. Isn't that crazy? So this is all spooned out. Spoon that, spoon cover, spoon motor mounts. Look at that, spoon motor mounts. You guys ever seen spoon motor mounts? Spoon calipers, spoon rotors, spoon lines. What else is spoon? Spoon cluster. How much a spoon cluster, Kenji? It's like 10 to 12 G's. Look at this. Spoon cluster. Get out of here. That guy's super bougie.
There's...
Spoon mirrors. Do they even make that anymore?
I don't think so.
Don't think so. See? Spoon seats. Yeah, this is like a
School certified.
spoon certified too. This is like a open checkbook build right here. There's no way anyone's gonna have a better EK9
Do that header, sir.
after this. Oh, look at that. Spoon cert right there. I guess to be able to be spoon certified, you gotta buy the catalog basically.
You just have to run the banner.
You just have to run a banner. I'll put a banner on mine too. Hey, after this build, that's got to be swapped to Greddy then. It's got counterproductive right here. You got Greddy and Spoon. You got a collab going on. And then wiring wise, I think Kenji said something about like wire. Are you guys wire tucking or no wire tuck?
No wire.
No wire tuck is
We didn't even touch the brake lines.
yeah. So the purpose of this build, before you guys start picking the brake lines and all this stuff and not shaving, is this is a OE plus build. Like Kenji put so much time on cleaning up even the fan. Look, he dyed the freaking fan. This used to be yellow and they took time to dye it. The case, they tore everything apart. Got this what is it, something honed, vapor honed they I don't know how long he spent. How many hours did you spend taking apart this starter?
Not much. 30 minutes?
30 minutes. He even like removed this from the inside and then had that zinc coating, right? Was that zinc?
Mm-hmm.
Zinc coating?
Yeah.
Dude, crazy. Look, they even have like AN adapters back here. Wow. These are 50 mil?
Cut?
50 mil?
57.
57 flutes. And then it says Honda right here.
Piston Kinslers.
Wow, 4-piston Kinslers. Look at that. That's it? Ooh. Fancy. How much is that valve cover? Not discontinued?
I think you still right.
Wow. Wow. And then this is the, what is the Japanese word for the first gen? What's Kuki and Zenki? Which one's first?
Zenki.
Zenki?
First.
Okay, so this is the Zenki front bumper then. The happy face, right? And then they got the updated version, which doesn't look as cool. Well, there you go. That's the world's most expensive EK9 build, soon to be.
Sure, built by Legend is more expensive.
But built by Legends, who
Through
knows?
the chassis and everything.
You think so?
Yeah, it's like bare chassis or go to a double chassis with a glove up too. I don't think this needed that. The base was already clean.
Yeah, this is pretty clean. Look how clean the chassis is, though. Kenji put some time onto this, by the way. This isn't like it came out like this. Just a little touch up here and there.
Yeah, all the joints and seams were all like rusty.
Some rust spots. I mean, that's just normal with these Japanese cars.
Sprayed it.
Yeah, so he said dry ice and then sprayed it with a little bit of OE touch-up paint. And it looks pretty good. Are these brand new?
No, it's been restored.
Restored too? Dude, so freaking OCD. Even this, huh? This you guys ice blasted.
Everything.
Spoon dampers?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the polish. I like it. Okay, world's second most expensive EK build after the Built by Legends. That's crazy, man. I don't think people understand why anyone would spend like 100 grand on a Honda Civic build.
Because they can't.
Because they can, that's right. And you guys got to remember, these cars are like 20, 25 years old at this time. So, yeah, us old farts. This is our like classic car that we kind of grew up with back when we were kids. What's down here? Dang. Spoon? Megan, does Spoon have a baffled oil pan?
I don't know.
Because I have this same look.
It's all from 4-piston.
Oh, it's all 4-piston stuff.
All block from 4-piston.
Here's the Myers competition header. It's like a megaphone, and then V-band right here. So what exhaust are you guys going to use?
The Greddy 3-inch one.
The Greddy 3-inch one. What is this one?
The Spoon.
So this is a Spoon unit right now.
Too small.
Too small. What's this projecting to make? Like 250?
250, 260.
Yeah, it's like 250, 260, because, I mean, this is NA.
The ethanol, so maybe a
More?
bit more aggressive.
Damn, they even redid all this right here. You can't even see that. Powder-coated subframe?
Yeah.
And then all this, too? Look at all the suspension
That's painful
stuff.
because we didn't take off the bushing because it's all the name already.
Oh, I see, I see.
Manufacturing chassis cake.
So what's up? Are you guys going to start building cars for people now?
Oh.
Only if you have an open checkbook. The president of Greddy will build it for you.